how to contact Western Union customer support. So what you're going to do firstly is go into Google, and then you're going to search for Western Union customer service, and then you should be taken to this page right here. Now what you're going to do is to just scroll down until you get to this one right here where it says Western Union, contact us. I'm just going to click right here, and then as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. So what you can do is to either chat with them, give them a call, or find physical location if you want to be able to go a physical location. But probably some of this too right here will be much easier. So what you're going to do, if you want to be able to chat with them and quickly contact them, you can click right here where it says chat with us. As you can see, then you will get to this page right here. Now you'll need to select what kind of topic that you want to be able to discuss or chat with them about. So for example, track transfer, and then as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here where they are going to help you exactly how to fix this issue. But if you want to be able to talk to a human, you can always write like this: talk to a human. And as you can see, before chatting with a live representative, please provide the following information. Yeah, you will need to provide some of this information right here. Chat reason, for example, sending money issue, first name, last name, email address, MTCN, but it's optional. As you can see, then click on next, and then you'll be able to chat with a customer representative with that works for Western Union. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.